Good morning. My name is Devan Patodia. I am the owner of Patodia Organics. We sell cotton and jute bags under the brand name Bagstudio. Our products are premium quality cotton and jute bags, which we are exporting to over 25 countries. And now we are offering the same quality to the domestic market in India as well. The products that we focus on are for three different industries. One is for the gifting market, then there's the promotional market, and then there's the market where people want to sell the product on Amazon or something online. A big part of our focus is eco-friendly and sustainability. So we have our own factory in Calcutta with over 200 machines. And what we're doing is in our factory, we have over 9 international certifications where people didn't just want to pay the lowest price, but they wanted organic cotton, which we provide, recycled cotton, fair trade cotton. There are a lot of different varieties of cotton, and that's where we started off, and we've grown in the last 15 years.